again. I'm gonna just film this in this angle. Don't screw up. Anyway, December 31st, 2016, Vegas this year. Anybody who's following my YouTube vids or my Facebook videos, or who knows what the hell you're following, but we haven't been here since last August. Yeah, we went to Vegas a lot, but this is our oh, that's probably what's doing it, huh? But I don't want to record. Well, I guess it's a good picture. The window's not that dirty. But let's get a film. Driving in, we have to find our hotel. We'll be here to get rid of 2016. I have to make it to 2017. That was my goal, actually, for this year, was to make it to 2017. So we'll be on the Strip, or well, who knows? We should be on the Strip, but here.
That's right. That's what we're talking about.
I'm trying to get Gabe excited so he doesn't want the Game Boy, not Game Boy, whatever his tablet he's addicted to. There's the Excalibur. And we always love driving into Vegas. Well, I mean, like, it's not that we love driving to Vegas. This is New York, New York. It's not that we love driving to Vegas, but the Vegas trip was definitely better than the California trip drive-wise. I'm not really much on long road trips, but this was pretty quick from Marana. It's like 5 hours. Of course, we stopped at other Vegas. Oh, look, there's that T-Mobile Arena where the fight was last night with Ronda Rousey lost. Gabe, what? I'm trying to make a movie! But, driving in, you know, when I first started coming back here 20 years ago, it's just changed the Strip so much. Oh wait, alright, let me just get off here so I can tell Lynn where she's going.
Bye.